Ho, Uncle Nudge here, and it's Friday evening, cat, and I'm getting ready for the sale tomorrow, and so I'm doing this video for my regular channel, and on the shorts channel, it's 10% female viewership. But on this channel, it's 35%. And so I don't think you ladies have seen my gardens where I have rocks in here. And yeah, just show you this real quick. It's kind of cool. This is all fenced in so the deer can't get in here. And so just got sorted stuff, but it's pretty cool. So that I'd at least let you see it here. All the guys are seeing it, but you ladies aren't. So, and I got my grapes over there. And walk over here, got a little garden, bunch of area here, got a little greenhouse here, some different stuff. This is my veggie garden in here. So I'm headed back to the rocks here, in case you're wondering. And I got berries here. They're pretty young, mostly blueberries. And then, like I said, I got my garden. Go in here real quick. Various stuff. Tomatoes. Bunch of tomatoes and peas. Tomatoes. All kinds of stuff. I'm going to close this up because Spider the cat's lurking and there's catnip in here fresh. He'll go in there and eat it all. So got my rocks, got my truck I'm loading up. I'm going to take a bunch of wood again and got a bunch of walnut this time. I'll be displaying, and I'll take a bunch of rocks. I got a bunch of driftwood I'm taking again, and pretty cool stuff here. Working on some display stuff. I got some brand new driftwood here, and just getting stuff ready. Got a bunch of pendants here and other stuff that I'll be loading up. And anyway, it's at the in front of the church where we usually have our rock club meetings, in the parking lot. And if you look at this flyer, it has the address. And so anyway, it'd be awesome if you like my channel, come out, and if anything you get from me, or you're helping support my channel, and I super appreciate that. So come on out. It's 9 to 5 Saturday, July 12th, and come and check it out. Say hello, Uncle Nudge.